Imagine a world where nature becomes the artist, and the canvas transforms into a living tribute to nature's beauty surrounding us. Meet an innovative artist who does just that by using branches to paint branches. This unique approach involves applying vibrant paint to natural branches and striking them against the canvas. It's a technique that not only captures the essence of nature, but also creates stunning organic patterns that are truly one of a kind. Each strike reflects the distinct shapes of the branches, resulting in a dynamic interplay of colors and forms. No two pieces are the same. Featured in galleries and exhibitions, the artist's work stands out for its originality and thought-provoking approach. Each piece is not just a painting, it's a reminder of the intricate bond we share with nature. What are your thoughts about this branch art?